After tinkering for the better part of a decade, our well-loved Jackson Glacier Jacket still warms with 100% recycled down, which tends to be useful only when it's cold and dry. We've now merged that down warmth with complete wet weather protection too. The outer fabric is made of waterproof, breathable, and wind-resistant 100% recycled polyester to keep your feathers dry. 700 fill power down, 100% recycled, of course, turns up the heat, while a two-way front zipper and insulated storm cuffs pack it tight. The two high-volume hand warmer pockets are lined with a brushed material for added hand love, and the insulated fixed hood cinches down to keep your head out of the storm. 100% waterproof, 100% recycled down, and made in a fair trade certified factory. That's how the Jackson Glacier Jacket rolls. This classic silhouette and cold weather staple is sure to transcend the many baffling trends it's built to outlast.